dough first. For the case, for that I have taken 3 grams of yeast. I am adding a little bit of sugar and lukewarm water to fly ferment the yeast. I'm going to leave this for a few minutes. Once it's ready, then we will start. Now 300 grams of flour, 6 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon honey, mixing the dry ingredients, activated yeast and some water to mix. This is 10 grams of oil. Now we will knead it on the table. Now the dough is ready now. I am going to allow this to rest for half an hour before we proceed to next step. I am going to leave it in this and with the cloth. Now we are going to make bechamel sauce. Here 20 grams of butter, 20 grams of flour and 200 ml milk. First I am going to add butter and flour to make a roux. Flour. You have to cook the flour till the raw smell of the flour leaves. Then we are going to add milk little by little. Bechamel sauce is ready now. I am going to keep this aside. We are going to make the macaroni pasta, mac and cheese pasta. I added some butter. Garlic. Just saute it a little bit. Onion chopped. Saute it till raw flavor goes off. Now this much sauteing enough. Now I am going to add the bechamel sauce which we prepared. Cream. Fresh cream. Now 1 teaspoon of spread cheese. This is spread cheese with pepper flavor. You can also use plain spread cheese also, or you can also use cheddar cheese. This is what I am using in this recipe. Now half teaspoon salt, because the spread cheese also has some salt, so be careful with it. Herbs. In the pasta, boiled macaroni. Our pasta is ready now. Now we are going to assemble it in a mold. I have softened the butter a little bit. I am going to add the mixed herbs in this. I am mixing it, and then I am going to brush this butter inside this mold. Now brushing the mold, use generous amount of butter so that the dough releases easily, like this. The dough is ready and we are going to roll this. The dough is rolled. Make sure the dough is not thick, should be enough. Then now take the mold, put the dough inside, bring it inside. This is why I have to roll bigger than the mold size, because it's going to go inside. Excess dough can be trimmed off later. Just loosen it, make sure it sits properly and goes to all the sides like this. Once the dough is set inside, now I am going to throw in some mozzarella cheese in the bottom. Now we are going to put the pasta which we prepared on top of this. All the pasta which we prepared is put inside. Now again I am going to put mozzarella cheese on top. That's enough. I'm just applying water on the outer part of the dough. I have cut and removed the excess, the dough which is not necessary. So now once done, just close it on all sides like this gently. Now after closing, take a knife and make few holes on it. Then put this in the oven. Now before baking, I am just applying some herbed butter on this. It's already there in the bottom, so when you overturn it, it will be there on top. The oven is set at 240 and at bake setting. I am preheating it now. Now the oven is ready, so I am keeping it inside. I am expecting it to get ready from anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. So now it is ready. I am going to take it out. This has taken me almost 25 minutes because it's a small oven. Color is slightly less on the side. If you put it in the big oven, the color will be much even. But this is completely cooked and it's fine. Now I am going to cut this. It's nice and crisp on top, slightly soft on the bottom. It's ready. Wow, lots of steam coming out. Cheese layers, cheese coming out. It's very nice with the flavor of the dough. It will taste very good, and you try it, and we are eager to know your opinion on this. Thank you for watching. See you in another interesting video.